Boom. Happy Sunday. Got a bunch of snow out there. Gonna be chilling inside and just kind of relaxing. I guess they're gonna be playing Steal a Brain Rot, Steal a Brain Fart. Wait. Escape traffic. Now it's for brain rots, for brain farts. So yeah, that too. We got some basketball going on. Oh, I love March Madness. If you can't tell, let's see that one in reverse. If you can't tell, I love me some March Madness. Some good games today, some championship games, and then the brackets. Oh, it's awesome with the capital A. Wow, I need a haircut. It looks like I got a hair don't. Yeah, we're going to just be cozying up here, FBI here. Much love. I hope all y'all is doing well. Comment below if you got any inside scoop for the March Madness going on. I need it here because I struggle. Brackets, if you got some brackets that we want to join, because we want to join. I want to join. Much love. Appreciate you. Be kind. Share and care. Because sharing is caring. All right. Big gulp say, see you later. And go Vandy.
See you later, alligators.
See you later, alligators. Yeah, that.